Ever wondered why your workout routine feels harder in the summer, or why you feel more sluggish in the winter? Well, you're not alone. Welcome back to Health and Fitness 101. I'm Mike, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of seasonal fitness. Imagine your body as a high-performance sports car. Just like how you wouldn't use the same oil in the scorching heat of summer as you would in the freezing cold of winter, your body also needs different types of fuel and maintenance depending on the season. Let's start with summer. The heat can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, your muscles warm up faster, reducing the risk of injury. But on the other hand, the heat can lead to dehydration and heat stroke if you're not careful. So, in the summer, it's crucial to stay hydrated and avoid working out during the peak heat hours. Opt for early morning or late evening workouts when the temperature is cooler. Now, let's talk about winter. The cold weather can make your muscles stiff and increase the risk of injury. So, it's essential to spend more time warming up and cooling down. Also, the shorter days and lack of sunlight can affect your mood and motivation. So try to incorporate exercises that boost your mood, like yoga or dancing. Spring and autumn are the Goldilocks seasons for workouts. Not too hot, not too cold. These are great times to mix up your routine and try new outdoor activities. But remember, no matter the season, consistency is key. Your body is like a river. It needs to keep flowing. If you stop working out because it's too hot or too cold, you're like a river that's frozen or dried up. So, how do you stay consistent? By adjusting your workouts for every climate. Listen to your body, understand its needs, and adapt your routine accordingly. And that's the beauty of seasonal fitness. It's not about fighting against the seasons, but rather flowing with them. It's about understanding that your body is a part of nature, and just like nature, it goes through cycles of change. So, the next time you're struggling with your workout in the summer heat or the winter chill, remember, it's not you, it's the season. And just like the seasons, this too shall pass. That's it for today's episode on seasonal fitness. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more health and fitness insights. Until then, keep moving, keep flowing, and remember, your body is a high-performance sports car. Treat it like one.